Hello everyone, I'm Suraj, and in today's video, I will demonstrate how, with just one click, we can post content simultaneously on X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. I'll show you how this process works when I click on the Run Once button. To begin, let me show you the current status of these platforms. On Instagram, the last post was made 5 hours ago, as seen here. Similarly, on LinkedIn, the last post was made 5 hours ago. On Facebook, the last post was made 29 hours ago. Now we'll proceed to click on the Run Once button. You'll notice it starts requesting execution. In the Google Sheet, we have pasted a website article link. This link is redirected to Perplexity AI, where the article is summarized. That summary is then routed through this process to multiple platforms. As you can see, the system is currently processing. Although it's taking a moment, once processed, the summary is posted on LinkedIn and Instagram. On these two platforms, the posts are already live, and the process continues for the other platforms. The GPT-powered post has now been processed and is being posted to the Facebook page. After this, the system will begin posting on X. The posting process for X has started, and it is nearly complete. At this stage, the content has been successfully posted on 3 platforms. Now let's refresh the social media profiles to verify. As you can see, the post has been successfully published on X as well. Let's go to LinkedIn and refresh the page. However, there's a known issue with LinkedIn posts, which I'll explain. Here, you can see the post was made 25 seconds ago. It reads, "I want to make a splash on Medium and dive into quality storytelling. Emotional connection and trending topics boost your brand authority and reach new heights with expert content marketing." This includes hashtags and has been successfully posted. Next, on Instagram, let's open the profile. Here, the latest post has been updated just a minute ago. The image and caption are in place. Reading, "Boost your marketing game with medium service insights. Build connections and drive traffic effortlessly. Ready to go viral." The content aligns with the Medium article link provided earlier. The same logic applies to LinkedIn. The assistant chatbot we've integrated sometimes produces an error during processing. The error appears initially, but is resolved using the ChatGPT API via the Playground tool. This will be discussed in a separate video dedicated to API integration. As for Facebook, let's check if the post has been made successfully. Here, 2 minutes ago, the content was posted stating, "Boost your marketing game with Medium services." This platform empowers effortless content creation. The content matches the article link we used in the Google Sheet. This entire process was built using make.com. The domain is us2make.com. And I'll also upload this workflow blueprint to YouTube. You can import the blueprint via the 3-dot menu, which will provide all parameters. You'll need to purchase Perplexity AI's API and may require subscriptions for extended use. However, some APIs, like X, are free to a certain limit. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more exciting insights and updates in the next one. Tata, bye-bye. See you soon with new innovations.